Hi everybody, welcome to Drum Fun. This is a video in a series that corresponds to the lesson and class that preceded it. Everybody did so great on Tuesday that I'm going to add just a little bit to the lesson. Let's get started. The first thing we learned in the class was how to hold the drumsticks. Holding the drumsticks is so important because it pertains to the touch and how you strike the instrument. You really want to not have any tension in your hands when holding the drumstick. Grasp the stick with your right hand and pretend as if you're shaking hands with someone, such as this. Flip the stick over. Same with the left hand. Hold the stick like you're shaking hands with somebody. Flip the stick over. No fingers or anything should be sticking out like this or any unnatural holding techniques. Everything should just be very relaxed and aligned, such as you can see my hands. Next, we want to strike the pad in the center of the pad. Four with our right hand, four with our left hand. Don't play into the pad, bring the stick off the drum. Okay, so we had a little exercise that I had written out on the sheets that I gave all the students, and that's very simple, but it's just good to get your hands warmed up and loose. It's simply right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We could do that and then repeat it, maybe 4 times. Right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, 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 left, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, it's a good way just to get the hands warmed up. Make sure you're holding the sticks correctly, etc., etc. The next thing we learned in the class was the basic rock beat hand pattern. So when you sit down at the drums, your right hand will go over your left hand so that you can play the hi-hat like this. This is for right-handed drummers. Since all our drummers are right-handed, we will be playing the hand pattern on the drum set like this. Since we don't have 2 striking surfaces and only a pad, what we will do is just play the rock beat hand pattern on the pad. And our rock beat hand pattern is very simple. It's right, right, together, right. The together is the right and the left hand together. So very simply, it says right, right, together, right. That's what I have everybody say. So the right and the left will strike the drum simultaneously, or the drum pad, or the striking surface. So it's right, right, both hands together and a right. Okay? But we want to do this in tempo, so it sounds more right, right, together, right, 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 together, right, right, together, right, 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 together, right. What I suggest is that each student practices this so that it becomes second nature and very natural to just play right, right, together, right, without much thinking. This is because we will be adding other elements of the drum set to this hand pattern. The next step after we've mastered right, right, together, right, is to add our right foot, which is the bass drum, to the first right of the 4-note pattern. Right, right, together, right is 4 notes. The first note, we want to put our right foot, so we can pretend by stepping or stamping the floor with our right foot like it's a bass drum. So we can go foot, right, together, right. Now when I say foot, I also want you to also play the right hand with the foot. Don't delete the right hand. I just say foot so you remember to put the foot on the first note of the 4-note little pattern we have. So that's foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right. Okay, so once we've mastered our hand pattern, right, right, together, right, we're going to add our right foot to that. And it's going to sound like foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right. Okay? So we want to practice that so that we don't have any kind of glitches or any kind of hesitation. We want to be able to play that smoothly, relaxed, and very naturally. And it's just repetition, muscle memory. So we just do it over and over until we are very comfortable with it. Foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right. Foot, right, together, right.